Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube page. Please hit the subscribe button. So today we are going to learn our first program in C language, and I'm sure by the end of this course we will be able to code some basic programs in C. So we are going to start with the Hello World program, which is one of the programs which beginners mostly start with. So now, one thing you have to know about C language is that it's a language that is case sensitive, and its syntax is very important to be respected. So in every program you will always start with the #include function. The #include function. Then now you include the standard input output library. That's the first thing you do when you want to code in C language. Then now in C language, every instruction falls in a function called the main function. So you need to declare the main function before you can set your instructions inside the main function. So you can declare it as an integer. Main function, you just declared it. This is how to declare a function. So now in every function in the language, after the closing the parentheses, you always have to open a curly bracket where the instructions will now fall inside. The instructions belonging to that function are found inside this curly bracket. So now, what is our purpose? We are writing a program to display hello world on the screen of the user. So in C language, when you want to display, you use the printf statement. So we can now say printf. Inside this bracket now we bring in inverted commas, open and close, and it is inside this inverted commas that everything we want to display in the screen is found. Anything you write inside these inverted commas will be displayed on the screen for the user to view. So let's just have a test of it and see. We can just say hello world. So yes, so in this program the message inside this inverted commas will be displayed on the screen. Now in every program, to end an instruction or a statement, we end with a semicolon. If you do not end with a semicolon, there will be a syntax error, so take good care of it. So now at the end of the program, at least we have done what we wanted to do. We can just end the program here with a bracket, because remember I said once we open from up here we are going to close it here, or else there will be a syntax error. So now this is a program to display hello world message on the screen. Let's run now the program and see how it functions. Okay, successfully compiled without errors, and you can see on your screen there we have hello world displayed on the user screen. So that is how to write a basic program to display a message on your screen using the printf statement. Now let's see something. So you can see that if we remove the curly bracket, it's not going to work. Let's see, the semicolon is not going to work. You see there is an error because it is a syntax problem. It must be there. Same thing as if we replace it back and then we remove the bracket at the end of the program, it's not gonna work. You see there is an error. So these are the type of things that you must take good care of when coding in C programming. You must be very careful with the syntax. Okay, thank you very much viewers. That was our first program in C language to display hello world on our screen. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and share it to your loved ones. Thank you. Stay tuned for better videos coming ahead.